definition of love. Every time they fall up in it, they fall out in it. Tell me how you gonna know about love. Telling me you ain't even been around long enough. We can prove them wrong, show them how it's done. I know we can do it, cause it's wildin' out, forgiving, talking about how we're feeling, hanging out. Okay. So we are headed to Louisville. Today is Sunday. Nope, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Everybody turning, ain't they? Today is Monday, July 17th. We made it. We are going to go see B in concert in Louisville. I am being annoying because I am excited. So I just got gas. So I'm just like leaving. It is 11:01. My goal was to leave at 11 and we're doing just that. I'll be there at 12:58. See what Kel's feeling. If she's already ate. If not, I'll have to, like, I'm gonna go there first, but I gotta get some food. I don't know what I want, but I always do this. I just get up, get dressed, get out the door, and don't think to like get any food. So we are about to hop on the highway. It's a 2-hour drive. And like I said, we'll be there pretty much just at 1. Hopefully there's no weirdness on the highway at this time. But yeah. Yesterday we had fun. So I know I like filmed the food, but that's all I really did. We went to Chewy's. If I didn't mention that, I feel like I did. So we went and got Mexican. Jermaine got like a burrito. I don't remember the exact burrito. And then I got a chewy chunga. It was fine. Like, I remember Chewy's from college, but we had went to this I don't think I filmed it or anything, but we had went to this Mexican place. It wasn't like, you can sit down and eat, but we like just got the food and left. It was after a wedding. We had went there because we saw it on the way to the wedding, and I was like, oh, that's good, that looks good. And then Jermaine was like, well, if the wedding food isn't enough, we can stop and get it. So we got it, and it was really good. Like, I feel like I got like a chicken and cheese burrito, but it was the sauce, like whatever it was smothered in. Like, my chewy chunga, it wasn't smothered in anything. Like, it was deep fried. It was basically chicken and I guess some type of cheese, but she put the sauces like in a bowl on the side. It was like a I think I got queso, and then I got, what was that other, Tex-Mex was whatever the other stuff was. So that's what I got, but it wasn't smothered in anything. So everything, I was basically eating it but dipping it kind of thing, whereas this burrito was like smothered in some type of cheese that was fire. Just talking about it, I gotta tell Jermaine we gotta go back there, but I'm rambling about something. But we had fun last night. Jermaine had fun at to celebrate his birthday, because sometimes Jermaine just be he's one of those people, like, don't make no fuss. Yes, I was born today, but what's new kind of person. So I'm glad we went to go get some food. We came home, the boys sung happy birthday to him, so it was a vibe. So we are headed to Louisville to see B. I'm excited, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so we made it to Louisville. Whew, my throat just got dry all of a sudden. What's going on? We did some errands because we needed to get something to drink, some food, and then like chasers and stuff. So we got all of that. We got Patron. I would show y'all, but you know, we know what Patron looks like. It's in the freezer. We got some crayon apple. Wow, what is going on here? Ooh, I'm watching Snapped. Mikhail went to, she's outside for a second, but I was just saying, hey, let you guys know we made it. We got this, we're gonna get dressed. It's currently 3 o'clock. We're gonna start getting dressed at like 4:30 because we're gonna leave here at 6. And we just wanna make sure we got everything situated. I just had some Zaxby's. Haven't had Zaxby's in forever. It wasn't like, I got the Zaxby's signature chicken sandwich and made it like spicy, but you know, it wasn't like a I think I like my chicken not really like, I don't know, it just wasn't crispy enough, if that makes sense. It was almost like gooey, like the whole thing felt gooey. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, when we start getting dressed, we're gonna listen to Beyonce, and then I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's exciting.
The gates don't open at 6:30 now.
Why?
It says just in.
I like the shoes.
Getting ready for Beyonce. This is the look. Okay, here's Peyton.
That makes me think it does start at 8.
Well, let me get my son to sit in the car and finish our bottles if he wants to.
Hi guys.
Not to run. Yeah,
We're gonna be going to the Beyonce concert, so we're gonna pass.
Please, Peyton, please be careful. Your mama said be careful. Don't play with it. Did you give that to her? I gave it to her. Okay. She's been wanting to say hi to it. I'm watching though.
Hi.
You watch it real quick?
So,
Because that's expensive, sis.
it's expensive, sis.
Listen to her. Or read
So we're gonna take some pictures.
You know they have like the arm.
We're gonna take some pictures.
I got like the arm club.
We're gonna take some pictures outside before they go to the Beyonce concert. But if you're watching, subscribe.
It's like, cause we close to it, but you gotta get around. So it's like, yeah. There's some steps on this side and we go in. Okay. I'm glad you're familiar with the territory.
Forget about the vlog. It's not the
And while one day viciously throwing down on his box, Jack boldly declared, "Let there be house." And house music was born. I am, you see, I am the creator, and this is my house.
I'm in the mood to put something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. It's corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm going back to the south. I'm going back. If y'all feeling hot, if y'all feeling sexy, I want you to put your hands up. Snap your fingers and say, I wanna house you and make it take my name. I'm gonna spouse you and make it touch your ring. I'm gonna take you all the way. Baby, can I do it? You look fabulous. Y'all think y'all can give me some love? I hope y'all have the best time working with these costumes. Thank you for your beautiful.
Good morning, guys. It's more like mid-afternoon. It's like 11:48. I know that I'm cut off. I feel like the camera be doing whatever it wants to do, because I know that sometimes my head be cut off, sometimes it be blurry, sometimes it just be doing whatever. But we are headed back home. I wanted to get on here and close out the vlog because I'm headed back home. So yeah, it's the next day, Tuesday, July 18th. And the Beyonce concert was just everything it needed to be. Such good vibes. She did amazing. Like, we've been to, like, my sister and I and Jayana have been to quite a few, you know, concerts. And I want to say that this was probably the best one I've seen. Just her as a performer, her visuals, obviously her music, her dancers, like just the whole, like every time she changed, you know, her outfit for different songs and stuff like that, it was just amazing. And I'm like, when you think about, you know, the hours and the dedication it must take to put on a performance like she did, it just makes her even more of, you know, just the queen. Because what? Like, I was like, she got to be in like the best shape to be doing all of this. Baby girl, she did not have any like opening acts and stuff. That was different, because normally it just seems like everybody always has like opening acts and stuff before they come out. So there was like I don't know, there was like a lot of different communications as far as like what time the concert was gonna start. Like I know the ticket said 7 o'clock, Ticketmaster said 7 o'clock, but like the arena and stuff like that was saying 8 o'clock. Sis came out at 9 o'clock, but there was no performance and stuff, and we finished what, around like midnight. So she got up there and sung and danced and performed for 3 hours. There was intermissions and stuff where like her dancers and different people was like doing a lot of stuff while she was getting changed, and they was, you know, changing the stage and stuff. But otherwise, like, what? It was great. It was worth every penny. Glad we went. It was such a vibe. Like I can't, if she has a concert again, like, yeah, hands down, I think she's been the best concert that I've been to in like my time. Just the way she performs, the music. I mean, she didn't miss a beat. Like it was great. But yeah, so I'm headed home. I was trying to debate whether I was gonna get food before I left, because I didn't eat after the concert. So low-key, I am starving. But I want some Chipotle. And in Louisville, Chipotle's kind of far, so I'm like, I just be having a complex. Like once I leave my sister's house, pretty much it's a straight shot, like barely 5 minutes, and then you at the expressway. So to go to Chipotle or pretty much almost any restaurant is completely out of the way, like other than the usual suspects like McDonald's, KFC. I think there's a Taco Bell down here, I don't know, like that kind of stuff, which sometimes I don't be wanting the day after. Like when I've did a lot, I be wanting something cleaner. So I'm gonna just get some Chipotle once I get into town. But I did want to tell y'all how it went, how the experience was, and close out the vlog, which I've been bad at. Like I've noticed that. Like I'm like, girl, you don't never wrap up the vlog. But I'm headed home. This concludes this video. This concludes the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.